welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be fitting steps to the Ferguson TEA20. It's part number for the left side, part number for the right side. You get a bracket with a nut and bolt, and of course the step. The front of the step has a hook which hooks over the peg there, just like that. You need to take out the lower back bolt. I'm using an 11/16 socket. Now there's no instructions with this kit, so if I put it on that way, the way this bracket is holds it out from where it needs to bolt onto, and the hole's big enough for that to go through. The bolt is nowhere near long enough, and the way that sits on there is not straight. The other way around, that sits on there, and there's plenty of room for the bolt, but the hole is a little bit tight. But it does go through. So I'd say it goes on that way. On the other side, the hole is plenty big enough for that bolt to go through. So I'll put that in its hole. Trying not to get in front of the camera. Okay, that's not even finger tight. So I want it to move, so when I put the step on, it lines up. So the top of the bolt has that square bit on it. The square bit seems to have gone through the bigger hole on that bracket. So it looks like this is the correct way to do it. I'm using a 9/16 socket on this nut. Okay, that's tight. Might need to bash that round with a mallet so it holds on a bit better. Now the other side. Now the same as on the right side, the left side has the same bracket with that bolt. Should have grabbed a knife. The knife would make it a lot easier to get into this plastic. So there you go, same sort of bracket, same sort of bolt. As you can see, the steps are different. The outside has a bump on it. The side that goes towards the tractor is just a flat. So the way it comes with that bolt through there would suggest that that would be the bolt hole for that, but that makes it awkward for this bit to connect up, unless I suppose you grind what you need off of them parts to make that fit. But I'm just going to do it the other way. If it gives me any trouble, I'll either change the bracket or grind them bits off and put it on the other way around. Right, it's not tightened all the way, still loose. Now the lower back bolt. Now it's tight through that bracket on this side as well, but it did go through. We just have to screw it through. Okay, that one's tight. And that one's tight. Certainly makes it a lot easier to get on than just balancing on that peg. If your pedals reach the step before either the clutch or the brake works, you'll have to adjust it, but that seems to be, the clutch pedal is hitting that stopper bit down here, just there, before it hits the step anyway. Actually, even standing fully on that is not touching the step. I'll move the camera over to the other side so you can see the brake pedal. The brake pedal is coming nowhere near hitting that step. That's my full weight on it. And both independent brake sides don't come anywhere near it either. They do wobble around a little bit, but seem to be okay. I guess time will tell as to how successful they are. Still a lot easier than balancing on that. If you want to stretch your legs, you could always put them up on them steps anyway, back up on them pegs. That'd stop it from rattling. So there we go. Steps on a Ferguson TEA20. Seem to be pretty good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.